Hello, good day. I'm the leader of Group 10. I'll be showing you today our two source code. The first source code is the goal. The goal is to input a Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius, convert to Celsius, and it will continue to do it as long as you input another temperature of a Fahrenheit. As you can see, first inside we're using name space std to our to declare some variables, and inside our int main is our const int, which we declared n equals to 6, and we also declared an x, a variable, and I equals to 0. Here we float or use double on Fahrenheit and Celsius, and inside our for loop and our looping for code is we set a limitation or a code that will continue to allow us to input codes or input values to convert to. So yep, I equals to 0 and I is less than n and I was less. It will input the entire, it will ask us to input a Fahrenheit temperature, which we will now be here in Cn, which we'll have to input, which is declared as Fahrenheit. And we have the temperature for Celsius, as you can see here. And it will input our Celsius in here, in our last cout. And it will continue to print out, as you can see here. So if we put 20, it will be negative 6.6, and it will ask us to input again. So let's put 70. Set one, so put 80. Oops. And that's it. Input it 6 times. Next is we will now do a multiplication table, as in 1 to 10 numbers, it will show its multiplication number. So we have using namespace std as usual. Inside our int main, we declare I and j as variables, and cout it will show our multiplication table, and we declared I equals to 1. And inside our while looping code is I is less than or equal to 10, which will set a limitation, which we only need 1 to 10 numbers, and j as 1 also. And like the same here, it will set a limitation to 1 to 10 numbers. So our formula, we will input here. So if you run the code, as you can see, it will show that 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. So on and so forth. And that is all. Thank you. And for the analysis is that inside of a looping code can be continuous, but there are limitations if you set one. And for our conclusion is looping codes can be used multiple times, even forever, so that you can do work continuously without stopping, but they can put to halt if you set a limit to it.